കൂടെ നടക്കാൻ പോയി. അവിടെ കുറച്ച് ലീഗ് സുഹൃത്തുക്കളുണ്ട്, നല്ല ആൾക്കാരാണ്.
Social movements, and it is the most literate state in this country. So I would like to congratulate the great people of Kerala. And second, you know, coming weeks are very important. There is Good Friday, there is Easter, there is Visu, and on 14th April we will celebrate the birth anniversary of our beloved founder of our democracy, constitutional democracy, Dr. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. So this week and coming week are very important for us. Meanwhile, there is election in Kerala. The great land and the great people will cast their vote on 6th April. And this time, this 6th April is going to be very important day. This is my assumptions, and I hope that you people are also thinking in that direction. This time Kerala will repeat the history. Once they have given two chances to Comrade Dr. Comrade Achyut Menon, and I think this time Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan will make history and he will become again the Chief Minister of Kerala. When I was coming here, one of journalists asked me, why you are here? I said, I am here to celebrate the festival of democracy. I am here to salute people of Kerala, and I am here to endorse Kerala model against Gujarat model. And what is the basic difference between Gujarat model and Kerala model? Kerala model is based with the understanding of people's democracy, with the understanding of welfareism, and with the understanding of emancipation of all individuals in this country. And what is Gujarat model? Gujarat model is based on corporate loot and communal hatred. So we are here with the hope. आप सब जानते हैं कि केरला के सामने एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. जब पूरे देश में, पूरी दुनिया में राइट विंग कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स का ऑनस्लॉट है, एकमात्र स्टेट है केरला जो इस फासिस्ट रिजीम के सामने अपनी आवाज को बुलंद कर रहा है. Then journalists asked me, there are some allegations. I said, this government, this BJP government has gained power on the basis of lies. They have gained power through ED and CD. They want to gain power through ED and CD, but I want to tell them, the people of Kerala has already replied, Modi, Pomone Modi. And second important thing that I want to share with you, in our place, fight is like one-to-one fight. In one hand there is BJP, and on another side, left, democratic, progressive, socialist, all kind of people are coming together to defeat communal politics in this country. But in Kerala, situation is different. So I have some disclaimer. First of all, I want to share with this to my friends and comrades and the great people of this land. We are not against temple. We are not against mosque. We are not against church. We are not against Gurudwara. But We are pro-education, we are pro-college, we are pro-hospital, we are pro-road, we are good transport facility, we are pro-development. We don't want that any force, any political force will use hatred, demonize our developmental work and the example made by LDF government. So I want to clear one thing. We are not against religion, but we have reason. We have reason because we believe in constitutional democracy, and in constitutional democracy, those who are putting tilak on their head and those who are wearing cap, all are Indians, and we will protect the citizenship right of this country, and nobody will try to snatch it. If anybody will try to snatch it, we will give them befitting reply. And if we are here to defeat communal politics, to defeat corporate loot, to expose the policy of privatization of laws, privatization तो जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पर यकीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर. अगर आप, if you are alive, you have to keep faithing on life. If there is any heaven, please try to bring it on earth. Are you ready to make Kerala as a heaven or not? If you are ready to make Kerala as a heaven, you have to support our dear beloved comrade Aldo Ibrahim. This is my appeal to the voters of this constituency. Thank you. Shukriya. Inqilab Zindabad. Abhiwad Indal. Abhiwad Indal. Abhiwad Indal. Noor Chuppil. Abhiwad Indal. Inqilab Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad. Inqilab Zindabad. Thank you very much. You want to listen Azadi song? Usually I don't sing Azadi song during election campaign because this song is the song of movement. But for us, election is also movement. Election is movement or not? Election is not for us to just get power. Election is also for us a kind of ideological battle. So you want freedom from your problems? We don't want freedom from country. We want freedom from our own problems. Do you want to get freedom from your problems? So please say Azadi.
പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട സഖാക്കളെ, മൂവാറ്റുപുഴയുടെ സ്നേഹവും ആദരവും സഖാവ് കന്നയ്യക്ക് മൂവാറ്റുപുഴയുടെ പ്രിയങ്കരനായ സാരഥി സഖാവ് എൽദോ എബ്രഹാം നേരുകയാണ്. ഇരുവരെയും സ്നേഹപൂർവ്വം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
ഇതാ സഖാക്കൾ സ്റ്റേജിൽ കയറി എല്ലാവരും പറയുന്നത്
സഖാക്കൾ മുഴുവനും സഖാക്കളും സ്റ്റേജിൽ നിന്ന് ഇറങ്ങണം കേട്ടോ.
ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞാൽ പറ്റൂല, ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞിറങ്ങൂല.
ഒരു